It's been 63 days since the BP Deepwater Horizon rig exploded. Here on Florida's Gulf Coast, they call them the world's most beautiful beaches. This is Panama City Beach, Florida, where nearly 8 million visitors a year come to soak up the sun and splash in this warm, crystal clear water. Judging by the activity here, you would never suspect that just over the horizon, some 20 miles away, lurks a huge breakaway piece of the BP oil slick, estimated to be 30 miles in length. So far, the only thing to wash up on these beaches are a few tar balls and some extremely large people, probably from Georgia. Cleaning crews are stationed nearby, ready to remove any oil or fried chicken that may wash ashore. Wind and currents are now favoring this region once again. For the next few days, things should remain as you see them here. While everyone in this region remains hopeful, the threat of tropical weather becomes more and more imminent. The world has never seen a hurricane mix with a multi-million-gallon oil slick, the results of which cannot even be imagined. Live from Panama City Beach, day 63 of the disaster in the Gulf.